Kamalia, a bustling city in the heart of Punjab, Pakistan, stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of rural life. This city, with its rich history and vibrant culture, offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity. From its early days as a small settlement to its current status as a significant urban centre, Kamalia has always been a place of growth and resilience. Situated within the fertile embrace of the Toba Tek Singh district, it enjoys a strategic location that has shaped its identity. The district itself is known for its agricultural productivity, and Kamalia benefits immensely from this. The lush fields and the hard-working farmers are the backbone of this region, contributing to its prosperity and sustenance. Kamalia is a vital hub connecting major cities like Faisalabad and Toba Tek Singh, contributing significantly to the region's economic and cultural landscape. The city's roads and transportation networks facilitate trade and commerce, making it a bustling marketplace. Cultural events and festivals held here reflect the rich heritage and traditions of Punjab, drawing visitors from near and far. The city experiences a semi-arid climate characterized by hot summers and mild winters. This climate influences the daily lives of its residents, dictating the agricultural cycles and the types of crops that can be grown. Despite the challenges posed by the heat, the people of Kamalia have adapted well, developing efficient methods to cope with the extreme weather conditions. This climatic rhythm plays a crucial role in shaping the agricultural practices of the region. Farmers in Kamalia have mastered the art of working with the land, using traditional knowledge passed down through generations. Their expertise ensures that the fields remain productive, providing food and resources not just for the city, but for the surrounding areas as well. Kamalia's location on the plains of Punjab exposes it to the seasonal monsoon winds, which bring much-needed rainfall during the summer months. This rainfall is crucial for the cultivation of crops, replenishing the soil and ensuring a good harvest. The monsoon season is eagerly awaited by farmers, as it heralds a period of growth and abundance. The Ravi and Chenab rivers, lifelines of the Punjab province, flow at a distance from Kamalia, but their impact on the region's water table and irrigation systems is undeniable. These rivers provide essential water resources that support the agricultural activities in Kamalia. Advanced irrigation systems have been developed to efficiently distribute this water, ensuring that the fields remain fertile and productive. The city thrives on the fertile alluvial soil deposited by these rivers over centuries, making it an ideal location for agriculture. This rich soil supports a variety of crops, from staple grains to fruits and vegetables, contributing to the diverse agricultural output of the region. Kamalia's agricultural success is a testament to the harmonious relationship between the land and its people. Kamalia holds a place of prominence as a major agricultural centre in the Toba Tek Singh district. This small yet vibrant town is the heart of agricultural activities, pulsating with the rhythm of farming life. Its fertile land and hard-working people have earned it recognition as a leading producer of cotton, a crop that is deeply woven into the fabric of the community. The dedication of the farmers is evident in every field where the lush green plants stand tall. Cotton holds immense economic significance for Pakistan, serving as a cornerstone of the country's agricultural output. The crop's importance extends beyond the fields, influencing the economic stability of the region. The city's fields are a sight to behold, particularly during the cotton harvesting season when they transform into a sea of white. This transformation is not just a visual spectacle, but a symbol of the hard work and dedication of the farmers. Cotton farming in Kamalia is not just an economic activity. It is a way of life that has been passed down through generations. Families have cultivated these lands for decades, each generation adding to the rich tapestry of agricultural heritage. From preparing the land to sowing the seeds, nurturing the plants, and ensuring they receive the right amount of water and nutrients, the process is meticulous and requires a deep understanding of the land. Finally, the harvesting of the cotton bolls is a moment of triumph, a culmination of months of hard work. The fields, once green, now burst with fluffy white cotton ready to be picked. Every stage of this process is a testament to the deep connection between the people and their land. The farmers' dedication is unwavering, their bond with the soil unbreakable. The cotton produced in Kamalia finds its way to textile mills across Pakistan, where it is transformed into various products. This journey from field to fabric is a crucial part of the country's economy. Contributing significantly to the country's textile industry, Kamalia's cotton is a key player in the global market. The quality of the cotton ensures that Pakistani textiles are sought after worldwide. As a major player in the global market, Pakistan's textile industry relies heavily on the cotton from Kamalia. This small town's contribution has a ripple effect, impacting international trade and commerce. The income generated from cotton farming supports the livelihoods of countless families in Kamalia and its surrounding villages. This economic support is vital, ensuring that the community thrives and continues to grow. Beyond its agricultural prowess, Kamalia is blessed with a natural environment that reflects the quintessential beauty of the Punjab plains. The region is a living canvas, painted with the hues of nature's bounty, where every season brings its own charm and splendor. The landscape is characterized by vast stretches of fertile land, which are the lifeblood of the local agriculture. These fields are meticulously tended to by farmers who have inherited generations of agricultural wisdom. Interspersed with canals and waterways that irrigate the fields, these water channels are crucial for sustaining the crops, especially during the dry months. The intricate network of canals is a testament to the ingenuity and hard work of the local communities. During the monsoon season, the countryside bursts into life with a vibrant tapestry of green hues as crops flourish under the nourishing rain. The monsoon not only rejuvenates the land, but also brings a sense of renewal and hope to the farmers. While the region might not boast dense forests or towering mountains, it is home to a unique ecosystem adapted to the semi-arid conditions. This ecosystem is a delicate balance of flora and fauna that have evolved to thrive in this environment. The flora consists mainly of drought-resistant shrubs, trees like the shisham and kika, and a variety of seasonal wildflowers that add splashes of color to the landscape. These plants are not only beautiful but also play a crucial role in preventing soil erosion and maintaining the ecological balance. The fauna of Kamalia reflects its agricultural setting. Livestock such as cattle, buffaloes and goats are commonly seen grazing in the fields, contributing to the rural economy and providing essential resources for the local communities. Birds like sparrows, crows and minor birds are a common sight, along with cattle, buffaloes and goats that are an integral part of the rural economy. These animals and birds create a symphony of sounds that is the heartbeat of Kamalia's countryside. The skies come alive with the calls of peacocks, a bird deeply ingrained in Punjabi folklore. Their vibrant plumage and majestic presence add a touch of magic to the landscape, making Kamalia a true tapestry of nature's bounty. Kamalia's history is intertwined with the broader narrative of Punjab, a land that has witnessed the rise and fall of empires. Although specific historical records about the city's founding remain elusive, archaeological evidence suggests human settlements in the region dating back centuries. The city's cultural fabric has been enriched by the contributions of various dynasties and rulers who left their mark on the region's architecture, traditions and way of life. Kamalia is home to several mosques and shrines that stand as testaments to its rich Islamic heritage and serve as centers of religious and social gatherings. The people of Kamalia take pride in their cultural heritage, which is reflected in their warm hospitality, traditional clothing like shalwar kameez, and vibrant festivals celebrated with great enthusiasm. Folk music and dance, passed down through generations, continue to thrive, adding to the city's cultural vibrancy. Section 5. The rhythms of rural life. Life in Kamalia moves at a different pace compared to the bustling metropolises of Pakistan. The city retains a strong sense of community, where neighbors know each other and social gatherings are an integral part of daily life. The day typically begins early with the sound of birdsong and the call to prayer echoing through the streets. Agriculture remains the backbone of the local economy, and most families are directly or indirectly involved in farming activities. The rhythm of life is deeply connected to the agricultural seasons, with festivals and celebrations often coinciding with harvests. While cotton reigns supreme, Kamalia's economy is also supported by a network of small-scale industries. These include businesses involved in cotton ginning, oil pressing, flour milling and the production of handicrafts, providing employment opportunities to the local population. Section 6. Navigating the challenges of progress. Despite its many strengths, Kamalia, like many other cities in Pakistan, faces several challenges in its pursuit of progress. One of the most pressing issues is water scarcity. As a predominantly agricultural region, Kamalia is heavily reliant on irrigation, but the overuse of groundwater resources and changing rainfall patterns pose a threat to its sustainability. Climate change adds another layer of complexity to this challenge. Rising temperatures, erratic rainfall and extreme weather events like droughts and floods can have devastating impacts on agricultural yields, affecting the livelihoods of countless farmers. Addressing these issues requires a multi-pronged approach, including promoting water conservation techniques, investing in modern irrigation methods like drip irrigation, and raising awareness about climate change and its potential impact on the region's agriculture. Section 7. The allure of the Chenab and beyond. While Kamalia itself might not be a major tourist destination, its strategic location within the Punjab province places it within easy reach of several attractions. The majestic Chenab River, one of the 5 rivers of Punjab, flows a short distance from the city, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of urban life. The fertile plains surrounding Kamalia, often referred to as the breadbasket of Pakistan, are a sight to behold, especially during the harvest season. Visitors can witness the vastness of Punjab's agricultural landscape and gain a deeper appreciation for the hard work and dedication of the farmers. Furthermore, Kamalia's proximity to major cities like Faisalabad and Toba Tek Singh provides opportunities for cultural exploration. These cities boast historical sites, bustling markets, and a vibrant culinary scene that offers a glimpse into the rich cultural tapestry of Punjab. Section 8. Conclusion. Kamalia's enduring spirit. Kamalia, with its agricultural prowess, rich cultural heritage, and the resilience of its people, stands as a microcosm of rural Pakistan. It is a city deeply connected to its land, where life revolves around the rhythm of the seasons and the enduring spirit of community thrives. As Kamalia navigates the challenges of the 21st century, its people continue to draw strength from their traditions, their unwavering spirit, and their deep connection to the land that has sustained them for generations. The city's story is a testament to the enduring power of human resilience and the enduring allure of a life connected to nature's rhythms.